Looking to enjoy fresh, healthy juice on the go? Whether you're at the gym, traveling, or just tight on kitchen space, we've got you covered. Here are the top 5 best portable fruit juicers that combine power, convenience, and portability. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Xiangyou BDL-004 portable fruit juicer. The Xiangyou BDL-004 portable fruit juicer is a convenient and versatile kitchen appliance designed to bring freshness and nutrition to your daily routine. Its wireless design allows for easy portability, making it simple to carry and ideal for those with limited kitchen space. Whether you're at home, at the office, or traveling, this compact juicer ensures you can enjoy healthy drinks, smoothies, and shakes anytime and anywhere. With a motor speed of 19,500 RPM, the juicer boasts impressive stirring power, reaching up to 21,000 RPM at its peak. This rapid speed ensures quick and efficient juicing, locking in freshness and nutrients from your ingredients. Thanks to its high-performance steel cutting tool, the juicer operates at a fast pace, allowing you to prepare your beverages without delay. The BDL-004 is more than just a fruit juicer. Its multi-purpose capabilities extend to crushing ice, making milkshakes, and even preparing baby food, offering flexibility for various needs. Additionally, it comes with an extra juice cup, so you can enjoy multiple servings of fresh drinks on the go. Charging is simple and efficient, with the juicer taking only 3-4 hours to fully charge, ensuring it's ready to use whenever you need it. This portable juicer is a perfect addition to any kitchen, offering convenience, speed, and versatility in one compact device. Coming in at number 4, the Flaremore portable fruit juicer. The Flaremore portable fruit juicer is designed to make juicing on the go both convenient and efficient. Powered by an ultra-high-speed DC motor, it can reach an impressive 21,000 RPM, effortlessly turning fruits into fresh juice in just 9 seconds. Its 6-leaf serrated steel blade ensures smooth and fast juicing, giving you delicious fruit beverages in no time. This portable juicer comes with 2 400 ml travel cups and a sports cup cover, transforming it into a handy juice cup that you can take with you wherever you go. Whether you're at work, the gym, or shopping, you can enjoy fresh juice at any moment. The easy-to-use one-touch start feature makes it simple to operate, allowing you to quickly prepare various juice drinks with minimal effort. Made with durable PC milk bottle material, the Flaremore juicer is resistant to high temperatures, falls, and wear. This ensures long-lasting performance, providing peace of mind for daily use. The 1500 mAh battery offers ultra-long battery life, and with a convenient Type-C charging design, you can charge it via sockets, power banks, car power supplies, or laptops, making it perfect for travel and outdoor activities. Compact, efficient, and reliable, the Flaremore portable fruit juicer is the ideal companion for anyone who wants to enjoy fresh, homemade juice wherever life takes them. At number 3, we have the Fructi portable fruit juicer. The Fructi portable fruit juicer is an ideal solution for anyone who loves fresh, homemade juice on the go. With its powerful 8-blade system and full copper motor, it effortlessly transforms fruits and vegetables into smooth, nutrient-packed juices. Whether you're traveling, out for a picnic, or hosting a party, this juicer ensures that you can enjoy fresh smoothies anytime, anywhere. One of the standout features of the Fructi juicer is its ice-crushing capability. Thanks to its robust power system and dual cooling features, it can easily crush ice, allowing you to enjoy refreshing slushies or cold beverages, especially on hot summer days or after an intense workout. The high-performance blending ensures that every drink is perfectly smooth and enjoyable. Designed with convenience in mind, the Fructi juicer boasts a leak-proof design, thanks to its 360 rotation mechanism. This ensures that your juice stays secure inside the bottle without spills, making it the perfect travel companion. The juicer locks in the full flavor and nutrients of your juice, so every sip is as fresh as the first. The wireless design adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to use the juicer without the hassle of cords. The detachable power cord and lightweight construction make it highly portable and easy to carry, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Whether you need a quick juice after a workout, or a refreshing beverage during a trip, the Fructi juicer offers both power and portability in one compact package. In addition to its portability, the juicer is easy to clean, with a design that allows for quick rinsing. This ensures you're always ready for your next fresh juice, saving you time and effort in the process. The Fructi portable fruit juicer is a must-have for anyone looking to enjoy fresh, healthy beverages on the go. Next up at number 2 is the Shxi portable fruit juicer. The Shxi portable fruit juicer is a versatile, compact blender designed to make your blending experience smooth and hassle-free. It features an upgraded 6-blade design equipped with 6 sharp 304 stainless steel blades, capable of easily crushing ice, frozen fruits, and other tough ingredients. With a powerful 20,000 RPM motor, the blades rotate rapidly to ensure smooth and fine shakes and smoothies. One of the standout features of this portable blender is its user-friendly design. It boasts a one-touch operation that allows for quick and easy blending. With a simple click, you can start blending, and by double-clicking, you can switch to pulse mode for more control over your mixing. This makes it ideal for preparing a variety of items, including milkshakes, smoothies, purees, flavored sauces, and even baby food. The Shxi juicer offers a perfect balance between size and capacity, with a 20-ounce, 600 ml container that provides ample space for your ingredients. Whether you're blending fruits, vegetables, or adding ice cubes, it gives you enough room for a generous portion. The added bonus of a screw-on cup lid makes it easy to take your blended concoction on the go, making it a great choice for travel, sports, or barbecues. The juicer is powered by a built-in 2000 mAh 7.4V battery, offering a better range than typical portable blenders. The Type-C charging port ensures convenience, allowing you to charge it via laptop, desktop, power bank, or even in your car. This makes it highly portable and practical for various settings such as kitchens, picnics, and outdoor adventures. Crafted from food-grade AS material, the blender is designed with health and safety in mind. Its integrated base and precision structure provide excellent waterproof performance, eliminating concerns about short circuits due to water ingress. The Shxi portable fruit juicer combines convenience, power, and safety to offer an efficient and reliable solution for blending on the go. Finally, at number 1, we have the Zhenmi portable fruit juicer. The Zhenmi portable fruit juicer is a versatile and efficient blending solution for those with a busy lifestyle. Equipped with upgraded 12-blade 304 stainless steel blades, it delivers pro-grade ice crushing capabilities, making it perfect for creating smoothies, frozen cocktails, or post-workout shakes. The powerful blades work instantly, breaking down ice and fruits in seconds, ensuring you get a smooth, nutrient-packed drink with minimal waiting. This portable juicer is designed for ultimate convenience. With its dual capacity, it can blend up to 500 ml of ingredients and carry an additional 1 L of water, making it ideal for on-the-go hydration. The TPU handle provides a sweat-proof grip, offering a comfortable and secure hold during summer hikes or daily commutes. Powered by a 1500 mAh 2 battery, the Zhenmi portable fruit juicer can complete up to 9 full blends on a single charge, ensuring it keeps up with your active routine. Its intelligent design features a double-click start function to prevent accidental activation and an auto shutoff that stops the motor after 50 seconds or when the lid is opened, adding an extra layer of safety. Crafted from food-grade materials, this juicer is both BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, ensuring that cleaning is a breeze. With its zero-mess design, you can enjoy fresh juice without the hassle, making it a must-have for anyone who values convenience and efficiency in their daily routine. Whether you're preparing a nutritious breakfast or a refreshing drink after a workout, the Zhenmi portable fruit juicer ensures that you stay energized and hydrated throughout the day.